children, this is Miss Vila here. Welcome to phonics lesson. Today we're going to do the diphthong ow sound. So let's recognize and say words with the diphthong ow sound. The two vowel O and U that makes one sound. That sound is ow. OU is ow sound. Okay. Let's read all the words over here. Okay, let's start. Are you ready? Okay, here. House. Of course, this is silence. You don't have to say this. House. Again. House. Next one. Mouse. Again, mouse. Next one. Blouse. I repeat. Blouse. Okay. Next one. Cloud. Again, cloud. Do you follow me? Okay. Now look here. The word, the letter sound is sp. Spout. Again, spout. Next one. Couch. The sound is ch. Couch. Next one. Count. Next one. Mouth. Sound. Mouth. Mouth. Let's look the words below here. Okay. Are you ready? Loud. Next one. Out. Next one. Proud. Next one. Sound. Next one. Ground. Easy, isn't it, children? Okay, it's very easy. Okay, let's look at your practical book.